Hi, this is a short overview of the new Personal Credit Builder. When we enter the Personal Credit Builder, which is indeed the fastest and easiest way to repair your own credit, we find these buttons at the top. The first one is to select the users. You can have up to 3 users. So 1, 2, 3. It's very easy to go from one to the other. Then we have some new utilities here, some new tools. The Loan and Budget Center. So the Loan Amortization Center allows you to put unlimited scenarios of loans of any kind, including accelerated loans and multiple creative loans. But the simple one, I created an amortization table, link it to the user, for example, by clicking on this button and this link, which means that it's going to be selected when we enter from that user. Also, we have the Budget Center, which is great to know how far are you from the ideal ranges on the different areas of your budget, and have a visual representation of those numbers. Then we have the credit repair part, which obviously is the most important part. After you fill in all this data, because you're going to need Social Security, etc., and your address to print the letters, you can click the credit repair area to enter here. From here, it's very easy to enter your disputes. You can add a new dispute by clicking this button, then type the name of the creditor. Sometimes you can type the whole name, or maybe you can type a little bit and select from a list of possible creditors. Then you type the account ID, select the dispute type. In this case, I'm going to select charge off, and you see automatically the letter and the reason are entered. You can change the reason. You can type the reason if you want, or select from many others, or you can type the reason if you want, and the same thing with the letter, but everything is done automatically if you want to. Then you can click the number 3 to do the 3 credit bureaus with one click, like this. Okay, I'm gonna create another one because I'm gonna show you an interesting feature a little bit later. So I'm gonna click add. In this case, I'm gonna put capital 1, and let's say that it's gonna be this number, and it's gonna be a late payment. Okay, also it's gonna be in the 3 credit bureaus. If it happens that it's only in 2, you can delete that line. Well, of course, you can go on and do all of them, all the derogatories, and then you can group them here by clicking set groups, and I'm gonna put several. So I could put all in this case, but I'm gonna put several, and I can put any number here that I want, if 3, 4, 5, or 99 to be all. So I'm gonna put 99 in this case. Then I'm gonna select the ones to print today, which in this case is all, obviously, and I can print the disputes just by clicking print disputes. It's important to notice that it's going to print to the default printer, to the printer that you have as default on your computer. So you're going to click selected and click, and you're going to have, in this case, these letters. Okay, for the 3 different bureaus. Okay, 3 different bureaus, you have them here. Also, it's possible, I'm gonna close, maybe I won't close now, but you can also print envelopes and labels, and even paper inserts to put into double window envelopes. But an important thing when you receive your responses is the fact that you can, for example, let's say that this one was deleted. and maybe this one was deleted too, and maybe this one was updated. But let's say that these three were not. They were verified. Well, actually the processing of the second round is extremely easy if you follow these instructions. And that is, you click the duplicate dispute here, the top left, and select number 5. The number 5 is very special because it's gonna, you see, with one click, and in a second it's gonna put no change in the ones that were in progress, so the where that you didn't change the status essentially, and created a duplicate, that is to do, and also change the letter. Okay, so for example, if I go to this one, to this line, you see, now we have the second round verification of procedure after verified item, which is the second round. Now let's do it again for a second. Let's pretend, so I'm not gonna print these three disputes again, but let's pretend that I print them and now they are in progress, right? So I'm gonna do it again. Let's say that none of those were deleted, so we're gonna duplicate them and click number 5. You see, now we have again a copy, a duplicate, and now the letter have been changed to the Metro 2 system, in this case disputing the account number, and so on and so forth. Depending on the type of dispute, it's going to be different, the type of reasons and the number of potential rounds that you can have. So basically that's pretty much all. You can record here your credit report provided if you want. That's totally optional, and you can even get a new credit report if you want from here. And also you can change the password of the program, so if you want some kind of a privacy and on your own computer, instead of entering with one click, you're gonna need to put a password if you want. And that's pretty much all. That's is that simple. By the way, before I finish, you can also link documents that you may have or receive from the credit bureaus. Maybe you can link those documents to the record and have them here, and you can put any notes that you want. Okay, so here is a note, and you can put notes and documents, etc. So extremely easy, and thank you.